Hi everybody, we're going to do fingerstyle chords with 12-bar blues to get you ready for future fingerstyle guitar playing. So to go with the right hand and play chords without strumming, you do a thumbs up, put it on your 6th string just over the hole, or at least stuck out from your fingers. Put your index finger on the 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, up from the bottom, that's how we count our string numbers. Middle finger on the 2nd string up from the bottom, and ring finger on the 1st string, the one at the bottom. Now your fingers are planted. These 3 fingers, index, middle, and ring, are on home base. That's where they're going to stay. Your thumb is going to roam around depending on what chord you're playing. So for your E7 chord, actually, one other thing, a little bit of arching your wrist. You can see my wrist is arched just a little bit. It's not a lot. It's not like that. That'd be too much and not be healthy. Just a little bit. So your wrist is arched to give your fingers room to do free strokes, to stay free when they pluck the strings and come up into your hand like that. We're going to waste some motion here just to make sure your fingers bend all the way from the knuckle. They plant and pull up. You can leave your thumb here if you want. Plant your fingers on the right strings. You're allowed to look at them and pull up. They're just going to stay on those 3 strings. Now, the thumb is going to play and swing to the outside of your index finger, not in against it like normally that you do when you pick things up. It's going to swing out here. If you look down through here, you'll see a triangle. I'm making it too big. That's about what it looks like. A small triangle. So make your E7 chord. We're going to play the 12-bar blues with your E7 chord. And then when you go to A7, we're going to change the bass string from the E string to the A string. So let's just do some with your E7 chord. Plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck. Good. Now, when you go to A7, your thumb goes to the A string. Again, these 3 fingers just stay put on the first 3 strings. That's home base for them. So A7, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, and pluck. Always go back and make sure your fingers are getting planted on the right strings. B7 uses the same bass note as A7. If you look on page 21 in the blues book, you'll see that at the bottom of the page, how to find your bass note for any chord. So we'll do, again, B7 up here, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck. So we don't have to worry about not hitting the 6th string that has the X over it. Because now we're just doing fingerstyle chords. Let's play the 12-bar blues chords fingerstyle. Make your E7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7. E7. 4 more. A7. Four more. E7. 4 more. B7. A7. E7. B7. 1 E7. So work on the 12-bar blues that way, fingerstyle chords.